available na po itong golden salt and eggs. You can check out the page of the Blind Gardener. You can post your orders or queries, and we will let you know kung saan po ang pick up po nito. So this is our new project ng Rotary Community Corps, project of the visually impaired. This is the golden salted eggs.